welcome back everybody. Today is September 6th and I'm out on a morning ride. It's like 9:13 in the morning. I don't know what today is. It's a Tuesday? It's a Tuesday, and we're gonna catch some traffic on this beautiful back road, so we're gonna have to do something about that here shortly. We are. So I'm on 328 in southern Ohio, just came out of Logan, Ohio, heading south. It's a beautiful road, nice and twisty. Oh, after the Jeep, after the Jeep. Go, Spider, go. Oh, it runs so much better now that I disabled that 2-up switch. Might as well just go ahead and scoot on past the guy in the Chevy. Hey buddy, how you doing, man? Dang, tell you what. And yeah, that's how I talk. It's a new me. Brought out the hillbilly. See, can't talk. Brought out the hillbilly in me. So like I said, I'm just riding in the hills of southern Ohio. I absolutely love it down through here. It kind of reminds me of the Smokies, but just miniature, you know, Smokies, southern Ohio. I was down here once and was able to pull off and watch this bald eagle just soaring around. It was quite amazing. Nothing that the GoPro or even my phone wouldn't have been able to pick up. They just don't have that type of range. So I just sat there and enjoyed watching this majestic bird flying around. So my last video, and you know, I'm running about 2 months behind. So the last video I made, it's on this camera, still was a little bit different than what I normally do. If you missed that video, the wife of 28 years has decided to go a different path than me. This video is not to I mean, how do I word it? It's not to pick on her or to say any negative things about her. It is what it is. So we have split ways, and this is more about myself and the struggles I go through and how I am improving myself and the things that are easy to improve and the things that are not. So I've stopped drinking diet soda, stopped drinking beer. I am walking anywhere between 3 and 5 miles, and that is the challenge. What do we have here? Is that a Cadillac? I dig it. That's a nice looking car. Tell you what. See, here comes the hillbilly. Tell you what, man, dang shoot. Beautiful. So with the issues I have with now both my hips and my lower back, the walking is hard, but I'm down almost 40 pounds. I have about 5-6 more pounds. I'm down 40 pounds in a month and a half, which is absolutely incredible. So I just have to, no matter how much pain I'm in, how much I do not want to get up in the morning and go for a walk. I have to. You know, and I will keep walking until I can't do it anymore. Which, let's hope it's not sooner than later. And how I started was, to be honest with you, my trip to Tennessee, and I have not started editing that video, but I always stay in Sweetwater, and why I stay there is the hotel has a hot tub and a pool. On the left side of the hotel, almost in the same parking lot, is a convenience store gas station. So I can get any type of snacks, any type of gas. And then on the other side of the hotel, in the same parking lot, is a Huddle House. A Huddle House is almost like a Waffle House. So I had everything I needed in this parking lot. And you got to think, when I first started going there, are they dismantling? Hopefully they're able to save that. Take it somewhere else, set it up. And why I started going there is because at that point in time, I could not walk 5-10 minutes without being in severe pain. And it was literally just down the street and back. So I needed something close. Like, even walking to the gas station, I would be in some serious pain. So as I was there, I started swimming. I would swim a half hour, 40 minutes. And I continued that when I got back the best that I could. And then once the pool water, because I live in the northern part of the United States, and for most it's been an extremely hot summer. Well, here in Ohio, it's been an extremely wet and cool summer. It's just insane. But that was able, I think I lost 10 pounds just swimming. And then we had a family vacation. I kept the vacation. Now, the ex did not come with us. It was myself, my daughter, and we grabbed my nephew, and he came with us to Florida. And what I would do is, and this is sad, we were beachfront. I mean, right off the dune. And there were days that I could not even walk to the beach. So I made sure I was taking my medicine. I was taking pain medicine, and that was able to get me to the beach. So every night, my daughter and I would we'd walk almost a mile, if not a mile. Now, yes, I was medicated. I had to be. I could not. I physically could not do it. So I just continued that when I got home, and I take 2 walks a day. Each walk's about a mile and an eighth, mile and a quarter. I'm able to get it done in about 20 minutes now, to where when I first started it was more like 25 or even longer. You know, so the struggle's real. I'm not going to lie, the struggle is real, but you know, I am going to keep doing what I need to do to keep myself as healthy as possible. Like I said, 5 more pounds, I'm down 40 pounds. And, you know, I would love to say I'm riding, but I'm not. I don't remember the last time I took a ride. Riding has a positive and a negative, so I enjoy riding. It's my passion. It truly is. I love sharing my rides. And get out of the way, you kamikaze squirrel. But when you're riding and you ride by yourself, it's very easy for you to get in your head, and you just don't know what road that's going to take you down. So you need to stay as positive as possible. So, you know, riding has been a challenge, and you know, summer's coming to an end quickly, and it kind of sucks, but you know, that's what happens when you live in the northern part of the United States. It gets cold and snowy, or cold and rainy is more like it here in the great state of Blasville. I mean Ohio. Yeah, that's what I meant. But today is going to be gorgeous. It's actually going to be warm. We got rain coming in, so it's try to get a ride in this morning, and then maybe get into the pool, because it's probably going to be the last time I get into the pool this year. And you know, and then all the fun things in life. I have good with a dentist. Not a big fan at all. A big fan. Boom. Are we gonna make it? Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared, people. It's been too long since I've been on a spider. There we go. Look at this. 56. Let's take a look at the beautiful water. Can we see the beautiful water? Hey, where's the beautiful? No, we can't even see the beautiful water. It's the trees. Darn trees. Look at that. Look at. Nope. Nope. It's no. It's no. I'm not ready for trees to change colors. Look, see. Look at that. We have some red in that one too. I'm not gonna lie, winter's difficult. It is. You know, when you're riding, or your passion is riding, you have a hard time getting around. You work from home. Your closest friend's 35 miles away. Yeah, winter sucks. I might have to do something different this year. But you know, the spider, we're at 24,026 miles on this one, so I'm riding it. I need to continue working on the black spider. That thing is just a beast. I'm not gonna lie, it is an absolutely incredible machine. Is that a little Porsche? Little Porsche. Nice road to be on if you have a little Porsche. Oh yeah, look at that sun. Big old bright beautiful sun. Downshift quite a bit. Boom. You know, and I don't, unfortunately, when you go through a divorce, the financial part of it is maddening at times. So you know, no more trips planned this year. I was able to go on 2. I was able to go on my West Virginia trip, and that was just to make sure I could get up and ride day after day after day, 3 days. Get up, get there. Next day, wake up, go for a ride. Next day, get up and come home. And I did okay on that. So, you know, my trip to Tennessee was decent. Just a ton of rain, like a ton of rain. But, you know, I had a good time. And, you know, who knows what the future holds, to be honest with you. You just never know. All I can say is, if you're going through something like this, you need to find your own path, and I've struggled with that. It took me quite a while to stop going down the same road that the ex was going down. It's not healthy. It is not healthy at all. You need to find your own path. And my path right now, to be honest with you, is swimming, walking, trying to ride. I'm answering more comments on YouTube, so I'm trying to stay engaged that way. You know, you got to find your own path in life. And, you know, me personally, I know that there's a path out there. It just takes some time to find that path. So, you know, I am committed on becoming a healthy person. I do love this road. I truly do love this road. So we are on 56. If we keep going just a few miles, on the right would be not Burr Oak. It's a Lasky State Park. I forget the name of the lake. Lake Hope? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Lake Hope down here off to the right. And we're going to turn left and go back into Nelsonville, Ohio. I keep just riding the same couple roads. You know, I have not gone on a long ride. And when I mean a long ride, I have not gone through a tank of gas on a ride yet. And it's been, I don't know, 2.5, 3 months. So as the videos that are going out in September, the last part of August and September, you know, I've been by myself. Dude, that, if you come over that with much more speed, you're going to be airborne. This road right through here, it's a great road. What am I on, 726? I've come down through here many times, especially on my old white STS. Man, all the people hitting the, look at this. Isn't this just cool? A little RV park. Looks fun. But no, like I've come down through here many times, and for whatever reason, that STS, it was scary coming down through here. Now the F3s, you sit a little bit lower in, you feel more one with the machine. The STS, you did sit up on top of, but man, I love that. Well, I like the idea of the STS, but it really hurt my back. Look at that tree. Oh, and here's another one. Really pretty. Not digging it. At all. At all am I digging that. Here's another one. No. No, I am definitely not ready to put this thing away. All the leaves are coming on. Nope. No. This video has taken a major turn. So I think I'm gonna let everybody go as I deal with fall coming to the state of Ohio, and I am definitely not looking forward to this fall. So everybody in the South that's having crazy hot summers, just, you know, shoot that heat up here to Ohio. I will gladly take it from you. We'll take it from September 10th, and we'll just push it all the way through March 15th. How does that sound? I'll take all your heat, and you can take all my cold. So on that, this is going to be the end of these type of videos. I might jump in and say, hey, you know, look at me, I've lost a little bit more weight, but I guess these videos are more not only to document for me in the future, but if anybody else is going through or gone through, you know, it is definitely a challenge. It's not easy, but you know, you just need to find your own path, whatever that path is. And all these leaves are falling and I don't like it. You know, whatever that path is, you need to find, and you need to be healthy physically and mentally before you can move on. What's up, Air Dodge? So on that, I'll let everybody go. I'm gonna listen to me some music, even though I probably don't have any type of coverage. It's okay. Everything's good. Everything's great. Give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.